gave rock and roll to you, gave rock and roll to you, gave rock and roll to everyone. God gave rock and roll to you, gave rock and roll to you, put it in the soul of everyone. If you wanna be a singer or play guitar, man, so you think you can sell me and spit in my eye? Oh, so you think you can love me and leave me to die? Good evening, Helsinki, how you doing? Good. Let me hear make some noise. Are you here to have a good time? Do you love me? And I'm still cease for us when I give you one. Now in the morning I sleep alone, sweep the streets I used to roam. Bells are ringing, all my cavalry choirs are singing. Remind me of my sword, my shield, my missionaries in a fiery field. For some reason I can't explain, once you go there was never an honest word. That was when I kissed a girl and I liked it, taste of her cherry chopstick. I kissed a girl just to try it, hope my boyfriend don't mind it. It felt so wrong, it felt so right, don't mean I'm in love tonight. I kissed a girl and I liked it, I liked it.
Alright, my friends, now we come to my favorite part of the show. Sing-along time. Now, those of you who haven't seen us before, I will teach you the words to this, so don't be scared. They're not very complicated, but pay attention. They go like this. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. And now, my friends, comes the tricky part. Pay attention. She's got the look. That's very good. I want to hear only you now. Great. That's very nice.
We're all gonna get in a fight, so what? I'm still a rock star, got my rock moves, and I don't need you. And guess what? I'm having more fun now that we're done. I'm gonna show you tonight. I'm alright, I'm just fine, and you're a doom star. So what? I'm still a rock star, got my rock moves, and I don't need you tonight.
You can reach, but you can't grab it. You can hold it, control it, but you can't bag it. Oh, let go.
Now that your rose is in bloom, light hits the gloom on the
I have these designer pants. And here is a small pocket. And this pocket is for this plectrum guitar pick.
It's barely practical for a cappella musician.
Are you ready?